Hello, see you again in my channel. Now I'm going to give you a room tour in Hotel Pullman Ciawi in Vimala Hills, Bogor, Indonesia. This is the view from the door, from the entrance door. This is quite a big room. On the right side is the bathroom. This is the side. Here is the wardrobe. Quite a big wardrobe. They give you yoga mat, little dumbbell, slipper, body scale. Here is the bathroom, shower room. Quite spacious. The floor quality is excellent. There is a windows here to the bedroom, but don't worry, if you stay two-person, they give you a roller blind so that you can close this one. Shower, soap, okay, shower set from Toto. At the top is the rainforest shower. Good. You can sit over there. Amenities. The hair dryer, towels, and this is the toilet. Toto Eco Washer, very clean and spacious. By the way, this is the door, so you can close the door, don't worry. Sliding door, then bam, you close the door. Okay, now we're back to the side of the entrance door. Left side is a big mirror so that you can see yourself. Air condition, room temperature, electrical outlet, Indonesian standard, EU. This is the best thing I think in the staying in Pullman Ciawi. Quite a complete coffee maker with a Nespresso. Wow. See? This is Nespresso compatible. This is not I think this is not the original. But this is the original. Okay, this is the espresso. Minibar but empty. Okay, see, this is the bathroom, but don't worry, you can close lower down the curtain like this. Side table with electrical outlet and a big clock here. Wow, 24-hour pillow service. You can choose one of your favorite pillow from here. I got a king bed setup. Oh, this is not king bed. This is, I think, is a super king. No, this is not even 2 meter times 2, but 2.4, I guess, times 2. See? Below is 2 beds, which is bound together. Working desk, the TV, which is good. Welcome name. Okay. The things that I don't really like about this room is that, as you know, usually the aircon is here, right? See, a big aircon. And this is where you're going to place your stuff and maybe works on a business trip. As what I'm now during a business trip. Here I'm sitting doing my work, then the aircon will blow straight away to my face. This is another table. Side table. Okay, good. By the way, there is a balcony. Let's check how we're going to open this. We open it by this lever here. Wow, quite a big balcony. You can sit here, have some chit chat, place to hang your towel. The pool. Okay, quite a nice view from here. Now we lock the door again. Nice view, right? And this is the view to the entrance door. Security door lock like this with the chain type. You can lock it with this. Okay, key card. Do not disturb. Then for the room service, so I press do not disturb because I don't want. Okay, do not disturb. Master, escape route. Room 2502. Okay. So that's all. The room review of Pullman, Ciawi, Vimala Hills in Bogor, Indonesia. If you like, then you think this information is useful, please click like and subscribe my channel to support me continue making this kind of review for you so that you can review the room before you planning to stay here. Thank you. Bye.